Hi guys, this is my dirt cheap surge arrestor. You can DIY it. This is a DIY project. I can show you how cheap it is. I bought this. These are MOVs. You know, these are MOVs. I bought it in bags. How many bags? I'll show you. How many bags is here? See, I bought all this and installed to all my house plugs, device, and all that. Using all this. These are all Panasonic's MOVs or Z. They call it ZNR in their products. You know, there's a lot of specs. You can check it. Most surge protectors, they have this inside. It's just this varistors. Let me take one out and show you. Let me take one out and show you. Okay, it's something like this. Two legs. There's no priority to the legs. Okay, this works both AC and DC. You look at the specs. There's a lot of specs. You can check it out. Now let me show you. See whether I can show you the numbers inside. Yeah, can I get it? Can the phone? Can the phone? Come on. Can the phone zoom in? No. No. Okay, I'll type it. I'll type it out somewhere. You know. So I'm using it all over my house. This is just two legs plus minus to both of the legs, and the other legs is joined together going to the ground. I've used it in my incoming. That's the one. And everywhere else in the plugs as well. Inside, I installed it inside. So it works for both AC and DC. So let's get on with it. This is how I do the surge arresters. So I have one each side. I have two ZNR. This is a Panasonic ZNR, and bought it so cheap. I bought it in bags. Later I show you how many bags I have in different sizes. So I put it in this format. Two double up. They have no priorities. The legs and the four legs are joined together here. This white line will go to the earth lah. Then this will go to the two side of plus and minus of the solar incoming. This will get the surge if there's a lightning or anything. So the clamping down voltage I've selected for this ZNR. What's the is I think it's 20471. The DC clamping voltage is 775 voltage, clamping down voltage. So it's well suitable. I double it up for the high amperage, not just high amperage, also this string tube, this large string tube, 2 fits just nice inside. This string tubes are to isolate the legs lah, but these are not. Do not string this. So if the surge ZNR, the MOVs, they are activated, it will release heat, high heat. This heat is in some units it can be able to melt the shoulder. So when it releases high heat, this string tube, which is not strung by heat yet, the large one, will shrink. This will be a direct indicator that this ZNR has spent their life and it's going to change. In any case, this can be made up just a dollar, US dollar, just a US. I buy this in bulk, so it can make just if one of them is the heat shrinks, I will just throw it away, make a new one. That's all. Maybe just snip the wires and make a new one, replace it. The replacing cost is way too low. So the huge string tube is just an indicator. So this is just dirt cheap. I can replace it yearly also can. It's not issues. So later I'm going to show you how I installed it. Hi guys, this is what I come up with, the easiest method. This is my solar incoming. So I just connect the plus minus here, parallel to this. Then this line goes to my ground. I've installed the ground outside. This line run towards the ground pole. So now this is protected from lightning. I just hang it here. Maybe I'll find a box. I show you my other surge protector, which is for the main line. This is the one. This is the one which has three surge protectors with a temperature fuse and an LED light. This goes to my main incoming. So when the fuse goes off, the LED will goes off lah. So at night, at any time now, as you can see, it's a bit red. It's on, so it's not activated. So each legs goes to one. One is a hot to ground, and one is the neutral to ground. One is the hot to neutral. Connect between them. I'm using this in the main line and the solar incoming. So in another video, I'll show how I weld the ground to my solar supports. Okay, thanks everyone.